Are you looking for the best idea for AI Faceless channel on YouTube? I made this just in 5 minutes. We only need just one AI tool to make this video. Go make a video like this, and this is the artificial intelligence that I put the link in the description. Click here to sign up free. This is the main panel, but for start you have to sign up from here. You can add your email here, or you can sign up with your Google account immediately. What do we need in this video? A talking avatar voice over text making video. Here are some avatars. By default, you into a talking avatar.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen.
We choose a voice for the avatar in this section. Now I choose these filters for easier selection.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
And there are many characters for each language. For example,
這就是我的聲音，希望你喜。
你好，这就是我的声音，希望你喜歡。
That if your text is in languages other than English, you may have the script you want, but if you don't have it, don't worry at all, because this artificial intelligence is connected to ChatGPT-4, and you can get the desired text from here now. I request this: write 3 benefits about help. For example, I only request 3 benefits. You can request the entire text you want, and it will be generated for you in a few seconds if it is approved by you. Apply it now. It's time to write each of these texts in a paragraph and edit it in this section. The size and position of the image, it is perfect after that. It is time to choose the right background. This is completely related to your taste. As you can see, these texts in a paragraph and edit it in this section. You have different elements to add text with different fonts now, size, and the font color, and I will customize it. This is completely on your taste in this video. I only show you one of the best idea for AI-powered faceless cash cow channel on YouTube. And how you can make these kinds of videos in easiest way after the editing of a slide is done completely now. You can duplicate this slide. Since I requested 3 benefits, I must have 3 slides. Sure that the text inside the slide matches the text inside this box. The editing of the slides is now finished. Now that the editing is finished, you can watch your video from this section.
Improved flexibility and strength. Regular practice of yoga.
The avatar does not move here, and the avatar movement is set for after downloading, and you can watch the overall editing of the video after everything is okay. You can download the video easily, and this is the short
Improved
video.
flexibility and strength. Strengthen your muscles, which can improve overall physical fitness. Stress reduction and relaxation. Yoga incorporates deep breathing and meditation techniques that help self-awareness and mindfulness, helping individuals develop a deeper.
They are my favorite niches are because they have high demand. They're evergreen, meaning if people are interested in it now, they likely also be interested 10 years from now, so you can build up a content to serve you for years into the future. They have alternate monetization opportunities, which means you can sign up for affiliate marketplaces like clickbank.com or digistore24.com in order to find products to promote. If someone buys someone after watching a video through affiliate link, you earn a commission. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new,
please share.